Your project begins as a blueprint. Our job is to build it perfectly. This is the printed circuit board assembly, PCBA, the core of your electronic device. We use automated surface mount technology, SMT lines. This is speed and accuracy combined. For high-density processors like BGAs, which have hidden connections, submicron precision is mandatory for reliability. Components are secured using controlled heat in our multi-zone reflow soldering ovens. For strong components, like power connectors, we use through-hole technology, THT, with precise selective soldering. Quality isn't guesswork. We use 3D Automated Optical Inspection, AOI, to check every surface component. For hidden connections, we use Automated X-ray Inspection AXI. This confirms the integrity of all BGA joints, the absolute only way to verify zero defects. Before assembly, we run a design for manufacturability, DFM, analysis. This flags costly design errors and optimizes your BOM before any components are purchased. We eliminate problems before they enter the factory. The box build is the final integration. We manage all electromechanical assembly, including custom wiring and chassis mounting. The final step is functional test, FCT, proof that the finished unit works perfectly under real-world conditions. From SMT to box build, every stage is integrated. We offer you a single-source solution, eliminating the risk of multiple vendors. We deliver reliable, on-time products certified to the highest standards, including IPC Class 3. Ready to build your most demanding product with confidence? Contact Anzer today.